In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to edit an invoice template in Xero step by step. If you want to customize your invoices, adjust what your clients see, or make your branding look more professional, this tutorial will walk you through everything you need to know. By the end of this video, you'll be able to rename your template, show or hide columns, adjust your logo position, and save your changes confidently. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Xero tutorials. Now, let's get started. First, log in to your Xero account. Once you're inside your dashboard, go to the top left corner of the screen. You'll see your company name there. For example, it might say Demo Company US. Click on your company name to open the drop-down menu. From that drop-down, select Settings. This will take you to your main settings area where you can control different aspects of your Xero account. After clicking Settings, you'll land on the Settings Overview page. If needed, click your company name again in the top left and choose Settings to make sure you're in the correct section. From here, look for the Invoice Settings option. This is where Xero stores all your invoice templates. Go ahead and click on Invoice Settings to open the list of available templates. Now you'll see a list of your invoice templates. Most accounts will have a default template called Standard. On the right-hand side of the template row, you'll see a blue Edit button. Click the blue Edit button for the template you want to customize. This will open a pop-up window where you can make changes to the template layout and details. Inside this editing window, you have several customization options. First, you can change the template name. For example, you might want to rename Standard to something more specific like My Practice Template or Consulting Invoice Template. Simply click into the name field, type your new template name, and make sure it reflects how you plan to use it. This is especially helpful if you manage multiple brands or services. Next, you can control which columns appear on your invoices. You'll see checkboxes for different fields such as SKU and quantity. If you don't want certain columns to show on your invoices, simply uncheck those boxes. For example, if you don't use SKUs in your business, uncheck the SKU option to remove it from the invoice layout. If you don't need the quantity column, you can uncheck that as well. This helps keep your invoices clean and easy for clients to understand. Another important customization option is the logo position. You'll see a drop-down menu that allows you to change where your logo appears on the invoice. You can move your logo to the left or to the right, depending on your branding preference. Small changes like this can make your invoices look more polished and aligned with your company's visual identity. Take a moment to review all your changes before saving. Make sure the name is correct, the columns you want are selected, and the logo position looks right. Once you're happy with everything, click the blue Save button at the bottom of the window. Your template will now be updated and ready to use for future invoices. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to edit an invoice template in Xero. From now on, when you create invoices, you can select your customized template and present a more professional and tailored document to your clients. If this video helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Xero tutorials, accounting tips, and step-by-step guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.